In this video, I'll show you an example of how to set up some advertising on your Revnio website. So there's a lot of flexibility with ads. For example, I have an AdSense banner up above the content, and then here's another AdSense banner. And then when you scroll down below the article, these are from a content advertising network called AdBlade. Other examples include Outbrain and Taboola. This type of advertising is great because it usually fits with something that your website visitor is interested in. And then when somebody clicks on one of these to go and read these articles, you get paid. And these can be anywhere from 20 cents per click up over $2 per click. And this type of advertising is where you can really make the bulk of your money from your viral content website. They make really great money. This is what AdSense looks like. In this video, we're just going to assume that you have a Google AdSense account. If you have any questions about creating an account, you can contact our support staff, or there's lots of great videos online. So back to Google AdSense, we click Create New Ad Unit, and we're going to give it a name. Read for Font Header, for example. And then you always want to leave this as responsive. So basically what that means is Google's going to see what screen size and what size box you're trying to fit the ad in, and they're going to adjust the ad for you. So click Save and Get Code. We want to copy all of this. Then we'll go back to our Revnio website under Ad Sections. Here I already have one called Index Page Header, and also above each post, but let's just say I want to create a new one. So create new ad, paste in your code, and then you tell the system where you want that ad to go. So on the home page header, home page footer, the sidebar, above or below each post. And then we also have these category pages and regular pages to play with. So I've already created one. I don't want to save this, but it's as easy as that. You paste in your AdSense code and then you click Save. And then this is what that would look like. It would start to appear here. If we had selected Sidebar and saved, that's what this type of ad looks like. And then back to this type of ad from AdBlade, you can sign up for an AdBlade account. It's also very easy to do. Again, if you need help, contact support. Then we want to select the type, either 6 articles appearing. I would recommend the type 3 with the 9 suggested articles. Description, you can really type in anything. Banner head, this is important because this is what people are going to read. So the reason this says suggested articles here is because that's what we called it back here. Lineup, this is where you decide what type of content you're going to allow to be advertised on your site. So for example, you'll make the most money if you have no creative restriction. Basically, ads are going to be PG and PG-13. If your website is aimed at a younger audience, you might want to go with some restrictions such as PG or even rated G, which would be friendly for kids. But again, that's going to dramatically affect how much you can earn from those clicks because there's not going to be as many advertisers competing for your website. So I would recommend leaving it as no restrictions. You can customize the color of the fonts and the descriptions. And then we'll click Submit. Then once that's created, they'll show you the ad tag. So you want to select all of this. And then just like Google AdSense, you'll come back to your ad sections. So I'll go back from the beginning just so you can see this. So ad sections. I already have one created for below each post, but I'll show you how to do that. So create new ad again. Paste that code right in there. And for this type of ad, you want it below each post. And that's how you're going to get these types of ads to show up. And then once that's created, you'll click Save. And again, you have a lot of flexibility. There's a lot of different types of ads you can use, and you can work with any type of ad partner. There's no limit here. So, for example, if you want in the sidebar your Amazon affiliate ads to show up, you can paste them in there.